Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to connect your Samsung A22 mobile device with your LG TV, then this video is for you. There is two options that I prefer that you should go with to connect your phone with your TV. First one is a power mirror. So a power mirror is a good tool for you to mirror your Samsung phone or to your LG TV. It offers a great screen mirroring experience with a fast and easy connection process. It only requires a strong internet connection to do seamless mirroring. To learn how to mirror Samsung phone to LG TV, you can download that and you can read the user manual. So you can download the app on your smartphone and LG TV. So from your Google Play or any of the Play Store that you have or any of App Store that you have on your LG TV. So after downloading that, you can launch the app on your both on your phone and LG TV. Then tap the QR code scanner icon at the top right of the app interface on your phone and scan the QR code displayed on your TV, just like this. After scanning this, your Samsung phone will then be mirrored to your LG TV. Now the another way is LG Screen Share. To screen share Samsung phone to LG TV, LG Screen Share is also a good choice. This tool is designed especially for LG TVs and can be utilized on your PC, Mac, mobile phone, tablet, iPad and other dongles that can be connected to your LG TV. So first you have to connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Turn on your LG TV and select Screen Share. You can find it on your menu. Then on your Samsung phone, drop down the shutter and quick setting panel and tap the smart view option. You can find this like this icon here, smart view. It will auto detect devices under the same Wi-Fi network. Just choose the name of your LG TV from the devices list. After that, your Samsung phone will be connected to your LG TV and you will see your Samsung phone screen on your LG TV. So that's how you can just simply do it, and I hope you understand all of this. If you have any confusion left yet, then let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.